Hello friends, welcome to Tebel's World Recipes. Today we bring you a very healthy salad. It's a beetroot, goat cheese, and arugula salad. The common with these ingredients is they date to many years ago. For example, beets were found in the Hanging Gardens of Babylon because they used to eat the leaves for salad. Goat cheese has been around for 9,000 years because goats were more common than cows in the Europe and Middle Eastern part. And arugula was grown all around the Mediterranean, and ancient Greece used it as medicine. Now, put all these together, and around the 1900s, Chef Wolfgang Puck made this beet and goat cheese salad famous. We're giving it a twist, adding arugula that is a superfood, and it's delicious. I think you're gonna enjoy it, so let's get cooking. The ingredients we're gonna need for our salad is 5 ounces of baby arugula, 3 beetroots, 8 ounces of goat cheese, 1/3 of a cup of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1/2 cup of walnuts, 1/2 cup of dried cranberries, salt and pepper to taste. First thing, I'm gonna add about 8 cups water to my Instapot, and then I'm gonna add my beets. We're gonna cook them for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, I'm gonna pull my beets out of my Instant Pot. And using a spoon, I'm gonna peel them and remove any imperfections. With our beets ready, we're gonna cut them into small pieces, bite size. I cut them in about 1/8 on each half. Now we're gonna prepare our vinaigrette. I'm gonna use a mason jar, and I'm gonna add our olive oil, our balsamic vinegar, our honey, our Dijon mustard, we're gonna add a teaspoon of pepper and salt. Remember, this is a very basic vinaigrette, and you can change it to your liking. Now I'm gonna close my mason jar, and we're gonna shake it real well to make an emulsion. Now our vinaigrette is ready. We have our beets and our vinaigrette ready. And before we put this salad together, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe. If you want to know when new videos are coming, click on the bell. And also at the end of this video, give us a like if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave us your comments and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Now, let's finish this salad. In a bowl, I'm gonna pour a little bit of our vinaigrette. And I want to shake it. Then we're going to add our arugula. First step, we want all our arugula leaves to be covered in that vinaigrette. And once it's ready, we're going to add our beets, and mix everything again. If you think you need more vinaigrette or you like it more saucy, this is a good time to add more. Then we're gonna add our walnuts and our cranberries and I'm gonna start putting pieces of goat cheese all over the place. We're gonna mix one last time, and this salad is ready to go. I'm gonna use a salad bowl to plate, and this is looking delicious. Quick and simple, our beetroot, arugula, and goat cheese salad is ready. It looks delicious, so let's try it. Let's get a little bit of everything, get the perfect bite. Wow. The sweetness of the beets, the peppery arugula, and the tartness of the goat cheese, all combined with that vinaigrette. It's just delicious. And the cranberries and the walnuts give it that nice texture. It's a home run. You should try this recipe, and we'll see you next time.